How to take screenshot in Samsung A25. So if you want to take a screenshot in Samsung A25, then the first method of taking the screenshot is simply pressing the lower volume key and the power button at the same time. And here you can see that you've taken a screenshot. This is one way. The second way is you need to simply toggle on a feature on your settings. So open up your settings. Under settings, you just need to simply go with an option of advanced features. Under advanced features, you will get an option of palm swipe to capture. So you just need to simply toggle it on. Or you can simply go with the search and you can search for it. So in my device, I have an option of swipe down with 3 fingers to take a quick screenshot. But in your device in Samsung A25, you will have palm swipe to capture option under your motions and gestures. You just need to simply toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then you will be able to take a screenshot with just a palm swipe on your screen. So that's it. That's how you can take a screenshot in Samsung A25. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.